Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of manually setting up the Cudy RE3000 Wi-Fi range extender. This method ensures optimal performance and seamless connectivity. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials. Begin by unboxing your Cudy RE3000 Wi-Fi range extender. Inside the package, you'll typically find the extender itself, a detailed quick setup guide for assistance, and sometimes a power adapter, depending on the model. Carefully review the included materials before proceeding. Connect the Cudy RE3000 extender to a power outlet located close to your router to begin the initial setup process. Allow the device a few moments to power up fully, and ensure the power indicator light turns solid green, signaling readiness. Next, grab your smartphone, tablet, or computer and connect to the Cudy RE3000's default Wi-Fi network. The network name will typically be something like Cudy_EXT. You can find the exact details on the label at the back of your extender. After connecting to the extender, open a web browser and type in the default IP address, which is usually 192.168.10.1. Hit enter, and you'll be directed to the Cudy setup page. If required, access the login screen using the default username and password. You can locate these credentials on the label attached to the extender. Be sure to enter the details accurately to proceed with configuring your device successfully. Once logged in, select the option to configure the extender. You'll see a list of available Wi-Fi networks. Choose your main Wi-Fi network, enter its password, and confirm. The extender will save these settings and reboot. Finally, unplug the extender and move it to your desired location, ideally halfway between your router and the area with poor Wi-Fi coverage. Make sure the signal indicator lights are solid for optimal performance. If you experience any issues or require assistance, our dedicated team of experienced professionals is ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out for support and expert guidance. Contact us anytime at 1-323-507-3713 for prompt assistance. And that's it. Your Cudy RE3000 extender is now set up and ready to go. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need further assistance.